Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name's Kristen and I'm so happy you're here. Make sure you subscribe before you leave so you can join the fam. And today I actually have a Sephora haul for you guys. I picked up quite a few things at Sephora lately and a couple things from Ulta that I'm just going to throw in. So yeah, if you'd like to see what I got, then just keep on watching. I went to Sephora and I picked up a lot of stuff that I probably really didn't need, but you know how it is when you go to Sephora. Yeah, I'm just gonna start picking out things that I got and then we're just gonna kind of go from there. I'm actually gonna start off with the things I got from Ulta since it doesn't really fit in with the Sephora haul, but I picked these up too, and some of them are repurchases, so I want to tell you guys about it. So the first thing I got from Ulta, I guess, were these two masks. And these are the Master Lab masks. This one's in intensive brightening and intensive moisturizing. So I picked up these two and I already tried I tried one of them. I think I tried this one. I tried this one and it works just so good. It smells so good. It's like works wonders for your skin, like literally, like you could tell a difference by just using it once. So that like really sold me. And then I really wanted to try the intensive brightening one because it has vitamin C and I have quite a bit of like acne scarring and stuff, so I wanted to make sure I tried this one too. The other thing I picked up from Ulta is the vitamin C microdermabrasion cleanser. This is by The Body Shop. I've never used this, but I'm so into everything that says vitamin C. It's so good for your skin, and especially like skin like mine that has like, it's acne prone and it has scarring and stuff like that. That's why I really like to use products like this. So I thought I'd give it a shot. I did use it once so far and honestly can't give my opinion on it, but yeah, I'm going to use it some more and let you guys know. Okay, to keep with the skincare theme we've got going on right now, actually from Sephora I picked up one of my favorite masks from there. It is the Rose face mask. I've already used a couple that I already got from there, but the Rose face mask is literally the best mask. Well, in my opinion. I just love the intense hydration it gives me, and it makes my like makeup go on really good. But I just love this mask and it smells so good, and they're super like affordable. I think they're only like $5 or $6, so super affordable and it works really good. And then I just picked up a little purity cleanser. This was like in between me having my other cleanser I just got, but I thought I'd pick up this again. I've used it before and like I have like a love-hate relationship with it. Like I don't know if I really like it, but I wanted something more gentle and like sensitive on my skin. So yeah, I'm trying it out again. The next two items I purchased were from First Aid Beauty, and this is like the coconut like flavor. So this is a coconut micellar makeup melter, and it says it dissolves all makeup, even long wear, for sensitive skin. I picked this one up because I really want to try something else than like my Neutrogena wipes. I love those wipes, don't get me wrong, but I just wanted to try something different, maybe like a little bit more gentle, you know, something like that. So I picked up this one and it smells so good. I've already smelled it. And then I also picked up the coconut water cream, and this helps hydrate, smooth, recharge, and is safe for sensitive skin. I've been trying to move more towards sensitive skin because I don't want to be too rough on my skin, because I don't want to end up breaking out more. So I thought something like this would be good. I like water creams because I feel like they sink into the skin really fast, like a gel kind of consistency in your moisturizers usually sinks into the skin really fast. So that's why I picked this one up. Next item I picked up was the Boscia Illuminating Black Mask, and this is like the one you've seen everywhere. Like everybody uses one like this or like something similar. I really like the Boscia one. It works really well. I always just feel like it just takes off like dirt and excess oil off my skin. So I really like this one, and I ended up getting the like full size finally. But a little goes a long way, and it's a peel-off mask. So if you haven't tried it, try the one by Boscia. And then the next item I got is actually by Philosophy, and I actually tried this like in a sample and I really liked it. It's the Philosophy Ultra Light Moisturizer. It's 24-hour hydration for radiant, dewy, and less visible pores. Again, great for sensitive skin. I like how it melts into the skin really fast. You don't have to really like let it sink in or anything like that, like you're good to go. So the next item I got was the Mermaid Skin Hyaluronic H2O Serum, and I'm guessing because it says serum it's good for like as a serum, as like skincare, but I'm not sure if I'm supposed to use it before I put on makeup, so I'm gonna kind of play around with it, but it was like really lightweight feeling in the store. So yeah, I thought I'd just try it. And moving on to makeup, I got the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Perfecting Primer, and I thought this would be perfect for when it's cooling, so I was like, summertime, that's going to be great. And then also summertime, I get oily, so I need a matte primer, and it smells really good, and yeah, I thought it would be a perfect primer, so picked up a primer. Haven't bought a primer in a really long time, so gonna go ahead and try this out for you guys too. The primer I picked up was the Smashbox, the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer, so it does exactly that. Smooths and blurs, and I really wanted to try this one and see how I like it. I am like in love with the Makeup Forever one, and I need to purchase a full-size one already, but I haven't gotten around to it, so I think they were out the last time I went, that's why I didn't pick it up. So I thought I'd just try this one and see how it holds up to the Makeup Forever. Another item from Too Faced I picked up was this Just Peachy palette. It's an all matte palette, I think. Let me see. I forgot. I actually used it once, I think. But it's so pretty, so cute. I think it would be great to travel with. Yeah, it's all matte. And it's so pretty. Very like mauve-y, warm tones in there. Some pinks. So perfect for like everyday looks. Definitely a good palette to travel with. And I actually picked this up when it was a weekly wow. That meant like it was like half off. So it was a really good buy for half off. And yeah, probably gonna travel with it. So while I was at Sephora, I needed some mascara. This trip was pretty much for everything I needed, because I felt like I ran out of everything at the same time. So I picked up these mascaras. This one's the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. I'm pretty sure it's like a limited edition packaging. I love the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara, so I finally picked one up in the full size. I'm one that does not splurge on mascara because I wear falsies and it just doesn't make sense. But I really needed some, and I was like, what the hell, I'll just get it from here because I'm already here. I picked up the Sephora Outrageous Volume Dramatic Volume Mascara. Don't know how this is gonna do, but this one was like pretty cheap, I think, so I just picked it up too. And then I got the Smashbox Superfan Fanned Out Mascara, and yeah, I'm gonna try this one out. I haven't tried it out. Another item I picked up was the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. Whenever you put it on the skin, like I've seen other YouTubers like try it out, I guess whenever you put it on the skin, it feels like really cooling and refreshing, like almost like water. So I was like, summer, yes, can I get this please? I definitely wanted to try this out. I do need another setting powder, so I was like, I'll try this and see how it goes. So yeah, I went ahead and picked this up, and hopefully it works really good. A couple lip products that I just recently picked up as well is the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Lip Lacquer. So it's a lip gloss, and it's in Darling, but it is a pretty nude glossy gloss. So I'm pretty excited about that. The next item I picked up was the Tarte H2O Gloss. Again, I wanted to try something from like the Rainforest of the Sea like collection they had. So I picked up another gloss. I've been trying to buy glosses. I've been trying to wear glosses because all I wear is a liquid lip. So I thought it would be good to try out some glosses. And this is like a really pretty, like almost metallic, like dark purpley mauve gloss. If I couldn't figure out any more words to express this. The last lip product I picked up was the Sephora, let's see, this is the Matte Labyrinth City. And the packaging on these are so pretty. Like, this is like one of my favorite, like dark nude, like almost brown red kind of colors. So I was like, I have to pick this one up. I've been missing like just a good old lipstick, so I was like, I'll pick this one up. And like the packaging is so cute. There's like a city on it, or you know, like something like that. So it's so really pretty. Last few items I picked up are actually hair care products, and the first one is the, I don't know, Diva Curl, I think, Diva Curl, something like that. And it's a melt into moisturizer matcha butter conditioning mask. So I kind of like am obsessed with anything that has matcha in it, so I was like, yeah, I'm gonna give it a try. And my hair has been like a little crazy lately, like it's just like not doing what I want it to, so I'm either gonna go get it done or try to do it myself and make it better. So So hold on, okay. I also picked up these two items, and it's by, I so don't know how to say the name, but it's O-U-A-I, and it's like French or something. Something like that. And this is the wave spray. Smells so good, and my hair is like already kind of wavy whenever I get out of the shower and let it air dry. It gets kind of wavy, so I've been trying to like get into that look, you know what I'm saying? Like try to do like natural, because I think maybe I'm using too much heat on my hair. So yeah, I thought this would be good. The next item I picked up was this texturizing hairspray, and I really wanted something like texturizing, because up top I usually lose all my volume, so I really want something texturizing up there. So yeah, I thought this would be cool, and I picked up smaller sizes because I don't know if I'm going to like it. And the last item I picked up was by IGK, and it's the No More Blow High Speed Air Dry Spray. So pretty much I let my hair air dry pretty much every night. I usually try to, you know, shower at night. But whenever I let my hair air dry, it usually takes like all night to air dry. But I found this product, and it says it's supposed to have like help your hair air dry a lot faster and like give it more texture and volume while it's doing it. So I was like, yes, can you give me like 300 of these? So I'm gonna go ahead and try this one out too. Been into hair care because I'm trying to step up my hair game, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm pretty excited about this, to try this out, because I like hardly ever blow dry my hair because I already use like a lot of heat products on it. So that was fast, wasn't it, guys? I think that was pretty fast. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and understood it. I am still feeling under the weather, so sorry about my nasally voice, but you know, it's usually like that anyway, so kill me. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Leave a comment down below what you'd like to see from me next. Make sure you like this video for more hauls. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! That one out. This guy is totally just looking at me filming. Oh my god, he was like, oh. That was scary. I don't know if he's coming up to the house. Weird. Okay, next item I picked up was the Tarte. Why can't I speak today? Hey, yo.